Honoring Cesar Chavez. Cesar Chavez is a Mexican-American labor leader and civil rights activist who dedicated his life's work to improving working and living conditions of farm workers in the United States through organizing and negotiating contracts. In 1962, Chavez founded the National Farm Workers Association, which later became the United Farm Workers of America. He won important victories to raise pay and improve working conditions for farm workers in the late 1960s and 1970s. In the mid-1980s, Chavez focused the United Farm Workers' efforts on a campaign to highlight the dangers of pesticides for farm workers and their children. Following his passing in 1993, in 1994, Chavez was posthumously awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom by then-President Bill Clinton. Honoring Cesar Chavez.